Let me quickly show you how to set up and use your spy camera pen. So inside the box, when we get our pen, we also get actually a bunch of accessories for it. So this is what the box on mine looks like. By the way, if you are looking to get this pen, in the description I'll include special discount links that you can use to get it for the cheapest price possible. Also, if you need the manual, feel free to pause right here. But in this video I'll simply show you how to basically do everything here. Also you get spare tips as well, so the refills for the ink and also a tiny screwdriver basically to change them, and also a cable to basically charge the device as well. So let's check out our camera essentially. So can you guess where we actually have the camera lens? So basically, as you see, it's right on the top over here. So you see this tiny thing here. So I do hope you can see. So yeah, basically we have the lens there. And also this acts as a like on-off button. So essentially if you want to start recording video, all you will do is you simply press and hold this button for a few seconds. So you see also we have basically lights here as well. So you see if I press and hold a bit, you see basically this light turns on a bit, flashes, and also goes off. That indicates that the camera has started to record and we can pretty much record basically. So again, there is no way how to tell at the moment if it's on or off essentially. So basically yeah, you can record, and once you're satisfied basically and want to end the video, so again we simply press and hold this again for a bit till it does like this, and that means basically the video has stopped. Again, there is no on or off button, so you simply press and hold this at any time to start recording, and again press and hold a bit to also end the recording. So also this camera can obviously also write as well, but when you actually get it by default, you have to actually set it up properly. So simply unscrew it right here, as you see, and also basically there is already like one basically the refill inside. So we essentially have to take this tiny screwdriver here that is provided, and as you see you can easily like screw out this refill. So you see it has got like a metal thread there. As you see we have a thread basically there. So we simply, as you see, take our screwdriver, put this inside, so if you ever need to change. But again, when I receive it again, it was like loose. So again, we have to actually, then you see if I actually like rotate this like front here, as you see I can extend basically the tip out. And as you see, we can easily write with it as well. Let's see, works like a normal pen, so absolutely awesome. So basically if you want to retrieve your camera footage, so basically what you have recorded, again we simply have to unscrew it, okay. So you see you have actually the memory card right here. So if I zoom in, it actually already comes with a memory card. By the way, again, if you want to get this like pen, again simply check out the special discount links in the description. As see, it already comes with a like the memory card inside if you follow those links. So we get 32GB micro SD memory card. So if I can get it to focus, so yeah, basically like a normal memory card. And you see also you have your port to basically charge it as well. So to charge it again, so we can simply plug this micro USB here and then connect it basically to any USB, maybe wall adapter or PC or wherever really. And if you see, want to see basically how the video looks like recorded with this camera, so I have recorded a video simply going around my yard and recording something. So you see actually the quality is actually surprisingly decent from this camera. When it comes to negatives, however, it doesn't have any stabilization at all. So if you basically maybe clip it on you and are walking, as you see the footage is a bit shaky. But apart from that, I think it's actually pretty cool, right? And also obviously it records sound as well. So you can hear what someone is talking essentially. And if you check basically fine details, see how actually look. Yeah, looks actually pretty darn good here. And I have also tried like a few different of these mini cameras, and I think this probably has one of the best like video quality out there. So yeah, for its price, which is camera cost, I think that's absolutely insane what they're getting. Also, another negative is it likes to overblow like very bright objects as well. So if you point at the sky, maybe the image won't be as good then. But see, for like normal usage, so yeah, can't really complain much at all. And overall, is this pen camera actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, I can actually highly suggest this particular model, because not only the video quality is fairly decent, it actually looks like very solid, also writes actually really good, so acts as normal pen essentially, so you can easily use it every day as well. So yeah, for its price, I think it's absolutely awesome. Again, if you want to get it for cheapest price possible, simply check out the special discount links. Again, that is basically directly from the manufacturer who makes it with free shipping. So yeah, for literally right around $10, if you follow those special discount links, I think it's absolutely awesome what we are getting here. Good luck!